enjoy this with rice. I think that's the best pair or combination. But you can also enjoy this with anything of choice. Hello there, beautiful people. As usual, welcome back to my channel. Guys, we're going to be making peanut butter soup. Or you can simply call it groundnut soup, as we call it in Cameroon. So we're going to get down to the introduction of the ingredients. I have some spinach leaves here, already chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 2 medium-sized onions chopped. I have some salt, some Maggi, black and white pepper already ground, some vegetable oil or groundnut oil as we commonly call it. I have some chicken and turkey here mixed, and I have some spices here, and ginger, garlic, spring onions, and some habanero peppers. So the king of the soup will be our peanut butter. This is store-bought, guys. So we're going to proceed as follows. The first thing will be to boil our meat with a little bit of salt and Maggi powder. Let's go. Add a little bit of salt and a little bit of Maggi. Add some water. Using approximately 4 cups of water. Cover this up and boil till tender. See you later. Guys, while our turkey and chicken are boiling, we're going to go ahead and blend our spring onions, ginger, and garlic. Forget about the habanero pepper, guys. See you later. Presenting to you are ginger, garlic, and spring onions already ground. Keep this aside. Guys, so our chicken and turkey are ready. So we're just going to take this off from the stove and separate the meat from the broth. See you later. So guys, presenting to you are already boiled chicken and turkey, and also the broth we obtained. So keep these aside. We're going to be using them later. So guys, down to the actual preparation of our peanut soup. So put some vegetable oil in the pot. So we're going to do it the way my mother used to do it. So when your oil gets heated up, you're going to fry your chicken. So remove this and place on some paper towel, and I will see you later. So we're going to go ahead and fry our onion. Stir. Bring in your tomatoes at this stage. Stir. Allow to fry until dry. Stir from time to time. The next thing we're going to be adding will be our ground spices, ginger, garlic, and spring onions. Mix everything up. So at this stage, we're going to bring in our broth. Stir. So at this stage, we're going to bring in our peanut butter or ground groundnuts. Mix everything up to make sure everything is well dissolved. Another way of dealing with the paste is to first of all lighten it up with a little bit of water before you add it to the general soup or broth. So I'm just gonna stir until everything is well mixed up. So I'm gonna add water at this stage. You want to lighten your soup up a bit, but not too much. So we're gonna bring in our white pepper and black pepper at this stage. Add a little bit of Maggi and salt. Make sure to taste before adding more Maggi and salt, because we used Maggi and salt in the initial stages. So we're going to cover this up to boil for approximately 5 minutes, and then we bring in our chicken. Guys, so we're going to check our soup now. I apologize guys, the vapor is actually blurring the video. Guys, the smell is heavenly. We're going to go ahead and add our chicken to the soup. Gently place your chicken pieces in the soup. So we're going to go ahead and stir. So we're going to bring in our chopped vegetables at this stage. So guys, I'm not going to be cooking this soup again for long because I've included vegetables. I want to maintain that green coloration. So if you want it spicy, you can drop your peppers at this stage. So I'm just going to allow this to boil for approximately 2 minutes again, highest, and I'll take it off. See you later. So our peanut butter soup is ready. You can enjoy this with rice. I think that's the best pair or combination. But you can also enjoy this with anything of choice. Thank you guys for watching. It was nice having you guys with me in the kitchen. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.